Regulation of gene expression. To understand regulation of gene expression, you have to understand what is gene expression. Expression of gene means this: DNA, which is double-stranded and stores genetic information. It is transcribed into a specific messenger RNA. This particular messenger RNA is now translated into a specific protein or polypeptide or enzyme. This polypeptide has a specific function in the body. So this polypeptide must be synthesized. And for the polypeptide, the function can be performed. So gene is expressed in the form of polypeptide. The genetic information is expressed in the form of polypeptide in order to perform a particular function in the body. This is called expression of gene. Now, regulation of gene expression means what? Regulation of gene expression means it is the mechanism of switching off and switching on of the structural genes depending on the requirement of the cells and the state of development. Regulation of gene expression means mechanism of switching off and switching on of the structural genes depending on the requirement of the cells and the state of the development of the body. So sometimes the genes are switched off, they are not expressed. Sometimes the genes are switched on, they are expressed. And it depends on what is the requirement of the cell, what is the requirement of the body, and what is the state of development of the organism. Regulation of gene expression. It occurs at 4 levels. The gene expression is controlled, regulated in the eukaryotic cells at 4 different levels. The 4 different levels are at the level of transcription, that means formation of primary transcript from the DNA. At the level of processing, that means splicing, removal of coding, non-coding sequences and joining of coding sequences to form a mature RNA. Splicing, at the level of splicing, at the level of transport of mRNA from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. After the messenger RNA is synthesized, it is transported from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. Then at the level of translation, that means at the level of protein synthesis, at the level of synthesis of polypeptides or enzymes. At these 4 levels, gene expression is regulated in all eukaryotes. But metabolic, physiological, environmental conditions of the organism also regulate gene expression. Gene expression depends on metabolic conditions, physiological conditions, environmental conditions of the organism. Development and differentiation of embryo into an adult individual is because of coordinated regulation of expression of several sets of genes. Now an example is given. These are bacterial cells, E. coli. They are grown in a culture medium in the laboratory. Bacteria have DNA. The genetic material is DNA. So bacterial DNA, bacterial chromosome, or bacterial genetic material, whatever you see, it is shown in the diagram. Now, suppose this is the bacterial genetic material or bacterial chromosome or bacterial DNA. In the bacterial chromosome, there are 3 structural genes, Z, Y, A. These are the 3 structural genes in the bacterial chromosomes. The gene Z is responsible for the synthesis of a polypeptide or enzyme beta-galactosidase. The gene Y is responsible for the synthesis of another enzyme permease. The gene A is responsible for the formation of trans-acetylase. So when these 3 polypeptides are formed, it can be said that the 3 genes are expressed. Z, Y, A, these 3 genes are switched on. They are expressed because they have produced 3 different enzymes. These 3 different enzymes have 3 important functions. The bacterial cells, E. coli, are allowed to grow in a culture medium. Let us suppose a nutrient like lactose is introduced into the culture medium. Lactose is a metabolite. It is a nutrient for the E. coli. It is introduced into the culture medium where the bacteria are growing and multiplying. Now, what is the function of beta-galactosidase? Beta-galactosidase breaks down lactose into glucose plus galactose, which are utilized by the E. coli bacteria as source of energy. What is the function of the enzyme permease? The enzyme permease increases permeability of the bacterial cell to lactose. Lactose molecule enters the bacterial cells through the cell membrane because permeability is increased. And this permeability is increased because of the enzyme permease. What is the function of the enzyme trans-acetylase? The enzyme trans-acetylase transfers acetyl group from acetyl coenzyme A to beta-galactosidase. So beta-galactosidase, permease and trans-acetylase, these 3 enzymes have 3 important functions which must be performed in relation to lactose metabolism. That means if lactose is present in the culture medium of the E. coli, then only these 3 enzymes are required, because these 3 enzymes are necessary for metabolism of lactose, breakdown of lactose into glucose and galactose, entry of lactose into the bacterial cell, transfer of acetyl group to beta-galactosidase. So if lactose is present, then only these 3 enzymes are produced. That means if lactose is present, then only Z, Y, A, these 3 genes are expressed. These 3 genes are switched on. They are expressed because the bacterial cell requires these 3 enzymes for metabolism of lactose. So depending on the requirement of the cell, expression of gene is regulated. Genes are expressed to form important enzymes only when the lactose is present, because if lactose is present, then only the bacterial cells need these 3 enzymes. But if there is no lactose the bacteria do not require these three enzymes. In that case, the three enzymes are not synthesized, the three proteins are not formed, the three genes Z, Y, A are not expressed, they are switched off because the three enzymes are not required by the bacteria because there is no lactose in their culture medium, so they do not need these three enzymes. So gene expression does not occur in this case. So expression of gene depends on metabolic, physiological requirement and also environmental conditions of the organism.